never once did I drop the ball. How the fuck I'ma drop a glove at the scene of the crime? Look, my hand is a trained machine. I can hold on to anything under any circumstance. You know, and besides, the glove just ain't gonna slip off no hand this big. You see how big my hand is? I can wipe my ass and scratch my head at the same time with this hand. Now, I'm gonna demonstrate to you there's no way I'm gonna drop no glove at the scene of crime because my hand is so good. Now, I want you to take this ball and I want you to throw it. You throw it any way you want and I'm gonna catch it. I don't care where you throw it. Throw it. Throw it on the wall. Daddy, sorry about it. The fucking shit! Hey, there's a rule in my house. If it's funny, you ain't in trouble. The most I can say is, hey, work on your timing, boy. Because if she'd have got stuck on the bowl, I'd have had to laugh. No, it would have been funny. I mean, because her ass is only as big as 2 nickels, right? So she got to hold on when she go to the bathroom like this. So she's got stuck hand and ass to the bowl. So I'd have to take the whole toilet seat off, put that in the car like a car seat, right? And drive it to the hospital, I guess throw it to the doctor like a frisbee or something. Hey, doc, see what you do with this. Fucking shit.
Hey.
They're wonderful, really. You know, it's hard. It's like I'm dealing with 4 different personalities. I wish there was like a rule book. You follow X, Y, Z, you can raise a kid that can function in society. But you know, you have the same kid, right? You can feed them the same thing. They can wear the same clothes. One will grow up to be a doctor, the other one a crack addict. It's like my daughters right now. Low maintenance because they young. You know, I got this. You know, my daughter, if I tell her that I'm disappointed in her, it messes her up. You know, it's like Carl. I'm really disappointed in her. Sorry, yeah. You know, I don't want to disappoint you. You're gonna be real pissed off when you see the rest of this shit out there. be livid, nigga. That's your... My youngest son, he's growing up nicely. I'm glad because I was worried about this boy for a while. But we spoiled him. You know, Michael, we spoiled him. Whiner. You know, the boy whine about everything. Temperatures. I'm like, what the hell am I raising here? Cry about everything. You know, you just want to grab and go, look, faggot, stop! You know, they say you shouldn't hit your kids. No, you shouldn't hit some of your kids. Some of your kids, that's all they understand. This boy, if I want to motivate him, I got to pop him in the head. You know, I try talking to him, reasoning with him. That don't work. You know, it's like, Michael, go in there and clean your room up. I was watching the Power Rangers. Like, boy, that's your room. You go clean it up. It's a pigsty. Can't someone else do it? No, it's your room. I'm not going to tell you again. Go clean it up. Oh, clean it up. Clean shine. He turned into a little janitor after he get hit, you know? Got a big set of keys here. I can't stop doing no cleanup. And you know what else? You can't promise a kid nothing if you ain't gonna stick to it. Right? It's better just to say no. Right? Because I told my kids I was gonna take them to Disneyland. Boy, they drove me crazy. We still going to Disneyland? We don't go to Disneyland. They made up songs and shit. Yeah, Daddy gonna take us to Disneyland. Disneyland, going to Disneyland. I'd be in the bathroom, they'd be bothering me. Daddy! What? We still going to Disneyland? Yeah, we gonna go to Disneyland. Daddy gonna take us to Disneyland. By the time I got to Disneyland, I had attitude, you know? I don't like that place. $32.50. They charge you $32.50 to get into Disney. $2 off for the kids like they doing you a favor. And the place is always packed. Always packed. And it's mostly white folks. Right? White folks don't seem to have a problem with the $32.50. Right? It's like they hypnotized. You know, why it's the greatest place on earth. Here, take my wallet. Give me back how much you think I should have. What, is Snow White gonna suck my dick in an electric ring? No, I just need to know when the $32.50 kick in. Let me tell you something, for $32.50, I'm gonna fuck one of them dwarfs. That's right, Dopey gonna be real sleepy and grumpy tonight. See, but they know you'll pay anything to see your kids smile. That's how they get you. They can charge $300. You got there robbing banks trying to get in Disneyland. And you know the wonderful thing about having kids is you embrace them, you get into them, you can live your child. I was in Disneyland, I came out there, had ears on and shit. I had a sword in my hand. Where did that come from? But I had fun too. You know, I got on all the rides with them. Except I got on this one ride. I ain't had no feeling getting on. You know, they got these teacups. These teacups that you sit in and all they do is spin around like this. 3 days it feel like. You just spin around. And I messed around, had a corn dog before I got on the ride. Man, you ever get sick on a ride? This is the worst feeling in the world because you have no control. fool who's making below minimum wage. He's sitting there waiting on somebody to get sick so the job can be fun. He got all the power. He's talking about, you guys want to go faster? Boom. The kid's like, yeah. Boom. Boom. Then that nausea hit my head like, boom. Oh, God. I think it'll be sick. Boom. I started trying to get the dude's attention in the booth every time I came around. Like, excuse me, mister. You guys stop running. Stick your number one. Finally, the ride starts slowing down, right? I got this thick white horse spit hanging from my mouth. You know, 3 Adam's apple and no nuts in my sack. And I go to reach for the bar to pull myself out. And the dude in the booth, he's like, hey, the ride's not over yet. He said, no, let's go backwards. And I threw up all over my kids. Yeah, my daughter's sitting there going, the fucking shit. Man, my oldest son just turned 14. Ain't that scary? 14. Man. This boy's tall. Got big feet and shit. Man, you know what that means. I'm playing with himself. At that age, I got 2 masturbators in the house now. One of us got to go. See, I know he's doing it. I know he's doing it because the boy spends most of his time in the bathroom now. You know, he come home from school, make a beeline right to the bathroom, right? Don't say hi or nothing. He say, hey, how you doing? Come out 5 minutes later, all relaxed. Hi, Dad. Nigga, I don't want to shake your hand. See, I know what he's doing. You know like spaghetti again? I'll be right back. I feel bad for him because I know he's starting something he ain't never gonna be able to stop. You in for life once you start. Once you start playing with the knob, it's over. I'm like, damn, man, you think with technology, as advanced as it is, they could invent something to help you stop jerking off. Right, they got a patch you put on your neck and it stops you from smoking. Why can't they invent a patch you put on your nuts? So it makes you simulate an orgasm, you know? Call it nicotine. Right, you get stressed out, you orgasm, right? You be in a car accident, like, ah! Boom! Like, man, what's wrong with you? It's a brand new car. I'll beat your mother. Shit, hold up. Oh, shit. No, don't touch me. Oh, damn. Hey, man, I'm sorry. like that, because that'd be like the new drug. You know, there'd be patch houses all across America. These patch houses are ruining our communities, and we're not going to top. Oh. I tell you, have a kid. I thought after I got married, I'd be able to stop. Like, damn, I'm married now. I don't need to jerk off. Then like 2 weeks later, like, damn, I'm married. I need to jerk off. Right? Because the first thing go out the window once you have kids. Just gone. Right? Because you always got kids around. It wasn't always like that, you know. That's why we got all those kids. Anytime, anywhere, right? She be in the kitchen cooking. I woke up behind saying, baby, what's that you make? Can I taste it? Let me taste it. It's a low stove. Where y'all at? Like what I take, I just hit it off. Bam, right there. Just hike it up. Whack, 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 whack. That aggressive section, just make it hurt. Shut the fuck. Shut up. Where's my cigarette at? Get your ass up here on this refrigerator. Get your ass up on the refrigerator. No, watch this. Watch. That's one. Here it goes. Ain't like that no more. Now the kids always around. You know, we gotta act like we ain't fucking now. Now we be in the bed just rubbing. Good morning, son. Can I help you? Can I help you with your homework? Just keeping your mom warm. It's a race now. Now it's like playing that game, red light, green light. Remember red light, green light? Red light, green light, 1, 2, 3. Together with the same woman for 15 years. They've been beautiful years, but you know what I'm going through right now? I'm realizing that I don't make the same effort I used to in the romance. You know, this is messed up. Because my wife deserves it. You know, sometimes, seriously, I'm sitting there watching TV, and I just get overwhelmed with love and appreciation. Seriously. Like watching TV and she'll walk around and I'm like, damn, look at this one. 15 years, 4 kids, still look good. I need to tell her how much I love her. And then I'm like, Jordan got the ball. You messed up how it happened, man. We just had an anniversary. And I forgot. I know, the last minute I remember, and it's messed up, you know. But I realized why guys forget anniversaries. No, it's not because we don't love you. You know what it is? It's because the anniversary is a celebration of the wedding ceremony. Right? Now the wedding ceremony was some womanship. That was y'all little day on the time. Right? The rice and the flowers and the girlfriends and the bride. We ain't had no input into that. We were trying to get the pussy, got tricked into all this shit. Right? We were just begging for the brother. Like, look, baby, I got to have you, or I'm going to explode. Like, no, if you want me, it's forever. Okay, what you need to do, you need to drop down on one knee, confess your love to me, tell me it's me and nobody else, and then I want you to give me a ring to show me you mean business. And then I get some pussy. No, not just yet, not just yet. Then what we're going to do is have this big celebration, and we're going to invite all my friends and everybody you hate. And we're going to congregate in church in front of God, my Father. You're going to confess your love to me again and your friends, and you're going to tell me it's me until death do you part, and then you're going to give me a bigger ring because this little piece of shit ain't working. And then I get some, no. Then we're going to run out to the limo. We're going to fuck in the limo. No, we're going to the airport. We're going to fuck on a plane. No. We're going halfway around the world to a place infested with mosquitoes. Then you gonna pick me up, carry me across the threshold, tell me how much you love me again, gently. Then I get some. No, silly, I'll be on my period by then. See, ladies, if y'all wanted guys to remember anniversaries, y'all should let us come up with the wedding ceremony. Right? We'd have came up with some fly shit, something we never forgot. Right, fellas? Be like, all right, girl, before I get all sentimental and express the love and shit, you know, this is what I need you to do, okay? I need you to drop down on one knee. And I need you to suck this head in. Like it ain't never gonna get sucked again. So I know it's you I want sucking the dick for the rest of my life. Right. That's every guy's fancy. We think too much about our feelings, ain't it? All the time. Ladies, y'all don't know how deep it goes, though. Men and ain't man, let me tell you something. Every man in this room, ladies, whether he'll admit it or not, has taken a ruler or some measuring tape. And some of us have used protractors to get the circumference right. So we'll know how much we got. It's that important to us. You know what the funny thing is, ladies? Most men cheat with the ruler. Lie to themselves. They start way back here with the ruler. Anything south of the asshole, lay right off. You know? Like, damn, look at that, 39 inches. That's pretty good, huh? No, I know the ruler say 3.5. That's because I got what's called inner shaft. The shaft started right here at the base of the skull, then it kind of wrap around. Right? And it ain't never big enough for us. Never big enough. You ask a guy what the ideal size is? The ideal size is to be able to fuck you in another room. That's how big we want. It's like, yeah, you like that, huh? You like, I said, do you like that? We just love, we want to hurt you, you know? We want to make it feel so you get hurt. We just, you know, the biggest compliment you can pay a guy is to be rolled over in the bed, rubbing your stomach. Talking about, damn, I think you punctured my uterus. Yeah, I do that sometimes. We want you to leave the house on a walk. I'll see you later. Yeah, hurry up, good. See, ladies are so much more mature than guys. Right? Yeah. Right, y'all don't measure. You don't want to measure. You know, it's like, because I guess a big pussy is just something you don't want to have. You don't want that on your resume, you know? You'll lose a man quick with a big one. I got a big one. I got a good one. Right? Because we know it's work, you know? If we work, be there all night trying to fill the wall. Like, you don't feel this? You don't feel none of this, huh? None of that. You just don't feel that, huh? You don't feel this? You're not, that you ain't feel it. The sidekick, you don't feel the sidekick, right? You don't feel that. those strokes, right? Just bam, he hit it, boom. He ain't afraid to play around, come out on the perimeter, you know what I mean? He ain't worried about losing it, you know? Don't chase it, don't chase it, boom. See what happens when you shit, it came out, huh? Okay. Tie the sheet around it, get the sheet. See, fella, that's why you need a good woman. There's half of us hanging on that stool. Right? And that's the beauty of a woman. A woman can love you unconditionally, you know? Yeah. I think about all the great men throughout history who've done great things. They had great women with them. They had great women sitting in their things. You can do it, baby. Go ahead. Go ahead. Right? That's the truth. If Coretta Scott King was a nagging wife, you know, it's like, what, you going out marching again? No, this is the third night this week. You going out with them niggas again? Well, you know what? You better take these babies with you because I ain't staying home by myself. No, I'm going out too. I'm going to march my ass down to the disco and have some fun with my girl. Mr. I have a dream. Why don't you dream you had a job, motherfucker? With some benefits, I can get the baby's teeth fixed. Yeah, I had a dream too. I dreamed I got my shit off a layaway fine. No, but I married the March. The March. And you know what? You're stupid. That's why they hit you upside your head. You got all the women looking at you before. What, they wasn't hiring up there either? Or what if Gandhi's wife was a nagging wife? Right? Like, Gandhi, get your narrow ass up off the ground. You know what, man? I'm not going to talk with you. I'm going down to McDonald's. I'm going to get a McCurry goat sandwich. When I come back, if you don't eat, I want out of this relationship. All right, fine. I want out. Take your dot back. Take the dot back. No, I don't want it, dot. You keep the dot. I don't want it. Give me the keys to the camera. I want out of this relationship. No, I'm going to change my dress. When I get out of this dress, I'm going to go downtown and get me a man that appreciates me for who the fuck I am. I don't need your bullshit. I don't need this. Brooke Dawn, I love you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's fine. What is that? Mm.
What's up, dog? All right, that's round two, baby. Round two, baby. I'm killed in that first show. Yeah, I said that was wide open. Chris Rock was having a good time. What's up? Dallas, Texas. I'm home, baby. I'm at the crib. About to get ready. Yeah, sit down. Before I run out of tape. Fuck around, run out of tape. What up? Oh shit, I don't need this shit. Who won? Shit. Motherfucker cost $5,000. Got the shit out of the layaway. I want to throw this shit way in here. Be careful. Black people in Dallas, what up? Huh? Past couple years got me upset though, man. They done killed the best rappers we had. Ain't that some shit? The best rappers, Tupac and Biggie and all that. Hey, rappers are so mad, man. That's what's tripping me out. Rappers are so angry. They're so mad about it. Even the lyrics has changed. So they're so angry. I don't give a shit, motherfucker. Back up in that ass with my motherfucking hood rat killing and shooting and fucking pissing and digging shit and fuck dick, motherfucker, bitch. That's my new album. That's my new album called Fuck All You Motherfuckers, I Don't Give a Shit. Somebody might shoot me. That's my new album. I'm MC Already Dead. That's DJ Murder. Fuck all y'all. What's up, nigga? Like I said. That'd be hard. See me coming, so what's up, nigga? What's up? Do you remember when the rap was cool? Huh? I don't feel you, Dallas. You remember when the rap was cool? Huh? You remember when it was cool? The priest come out at night. Come on. The priest come out. You remember that shit, baby? It was cool, huh? Huh? Hell yeah. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the You feel that shit, man. You feel it, huh? All right, this one. I said hip, hop, a hip it to the hip and the hip, Don't stop the rock. You know I'm gonna do some rap on that shit, baby. Gotta watch me close. Everybody doing that shit, man. I saw some kids do their mama. Hey, mama. You know when your mama hits you in public and knock all the cool out your walking shit, you just walk away. We all need an ass whooping now, don't we? We need a good ass whooping as crazy as our country is getting. Don't we need a good ass whooping? Because black people, we too angry. We too mad, we get mad quick. We be having a good time and just chilling. And, hey man, whatever. Somebody look at you right here, man. Hold on, man. You look at me. Keep your eyes to yourself. Now, I ain't play that shit. What the fuck wrong with you, dog? You better recognize, bro. Come on, put hands on me, man. Don't play that shit. This motherfucker. You talking about bitch or something, man? Quit looking at me, man. Stir. You stirring this shit. Fuck, I don't play that shit. Stir. Oh, you got a gun. Oh, look at that, man. You got a gun and shit. Look at that. Oh, that's what it means. We gonna shoot him, motherfucker.
Oh, you gotta come harder than that. Then. Oh, that's pretty hard. That's pretty hard. You don't know who you fucking with, do you, boy? Nigga, I'm from the west side. I'm gonna get you in levels, dog. Gotta be careful, man. Calm down. Some of these cats out here will blow your head off. Be cool, man. Be cool. I think there's Tupac and Biggie would still be here. Nobody want to back down. You can back down. It's okay. Tupac don't want to back. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Biggie didn't want to back down. You know, Biggie said, "No, that's real. That's real." Like Puff said, you know, it's real. That's real. I'm serious. That's real. You know. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, never come picture this. And they get on my nerves with that shit. Don't rappers get on your nerves with that wanting to kill each other shit? Calm down. Ain't nobody else doing that. Am I right? No other entertainers are doing that. You know I'm right. You don't see like no country western stars going at it and shit. Come on, you don't see them like gangsters and shit. You couldn't see like Clint Black and Billy Ray Cyrus going at it and shit. Did you see that shit? Like, I, Billy? Heard you talking shit, boy. Fuck around if you want to, motherfucker. I don't play that shit, you son of a bitch. I'll kick your ass up in this motherfucker. You don't see nobody else doing that. You don't see like Morgan Freeman and Bill Cosby mad at each other. Gangsters and shit. Could you see that Morgan Freeman as a gangster? Like, hold on now. Hold on, Bill. Now, I don't play the bullshit now. Whoop your ass in this motherfucker, Bill. I ain't riding Miss Daisy this evening. I'll kick off in your ass, motherfucker. 7 times. 7 goddamn times. You see like Bill Cosby mad and cussing and shit. Bitch, please. You better recognize I don't play the bullshit like that, motherfucker. You fucking with the wrong motherfucker. I'm sick of Jello pudding pop sideways up your ass, motherfucker. I don't play the shit. Goddamn now, bitch. Now, shit. West Side. You don't see nobody else doing it, man. You don't see like Jesse Jackson and Farrakhan going at it. But you see that? You know Jesse breaking up. You better recognize I don't play the bullshit. Don't doubt it. Cause I'm bout it. It's morning time. Should I do Farrakhan?